Thank you very much, DJ. Thank you very much, DJ, for really playing for us the national anthem, which for us Gambians inspires us to strive to do justice, because one of the verses there is, let justice guide our actions towards the common good. That has been the mantra of the United Democratic Party: justice, peace and progress. So Mr. DJ, thank you very much for playing for us the Gambian National Anthem. And with that, all of us who are here gathered, we dedicate ourselves to the service of our nation. We dedicate ourselves to doing acts that are patriotic. We dedicate ourselves to really save and properly manage the meager resources of this country. Thank you very much. It's a reminder to all of us. And thank you very much, all of you here today gathered on Jarama Bui, Jeff, Alabaraka Bake, and Ware. It has been 5 hours from the airport to my residence here. I could not have a greater honor. I could not have a more dedicated party members than you. You have shown it all. In fact, the Gambian people's dedication to the United Democratic Party was triggered by the diaspora. When in August of this year, we made a visit to Mataro in Spain. What happened there is historic. The whole of Europe gathered in Mataro and did for the United Democratic Party what we expected of them. We raised decent funds. We are not vampires, and we know some vampires and so very advisedly. We do not make people, but Gambian people who are alive to the suffering of this country, who really want to save this country, put together their honest and resources and give it to us. From Mataro, we went to Atlanta. In the first place, before going to Atlanta, let me say, my fellow Gambians, may you the people, that you, the members of the United Democratic Party, must feel very honored. You, the members of the United Democratic Party, must feel very privileged. For you, through you, your leader being invited to the convention that saw the selection of America's next president. That is a great honor for us. It made me come in contact with some leaders in the world, and the exposure is great. And indeed, from Minnesota, from Chicago, we went to Atlanta. Gambians and other people who are non-Gambians attended our gathering in Atlanta. Some non-party members gave funds to our party. Minnesota, likewise, and of course, Alaska also did their own. So did the great city of Seattle. We all heard what they did under 3 hours. $6 million is under 6 hours. That is what they raised for the United Democratic Party. And they did that for a purpose. And that purpose is to put you in good resources in order to battle the 2026 presidential election. These are honest Gambians and honest friends of the Gambia who see the Gambia in a situation that they do not think it deserves. And nobody thinks that the Gambia deserves the situation in which we are. Just Saturday, your president, my president, left here to go to his home village of Mankamankuda, which I think is really commendable. Any president visiting your home village is really commendable. But he took along with him a fleet of vehicles. The fuel cost of that alone runs into millions. When we had some time ago that teaching materials in the schools, in the lower basic schools, are non-existent. Why don't we apply that money to the schools? Yes, from now on up to November, people will be commuting between Banjul and Mankamankuda, and it will all be at the expense of the government of the Gambia. When you are on leave, even leave for la, even more than what you're going to address it up. Masala moto, it's a good leave for. The America have got never leave for the cohabit for your land. Near after Kokukela, a fall at the Banzo. Kadu, Maja follow, Kavako president, Nyatala leave for Nyatala Kaka, but now I'm a dollar a manya nakela 10. And it had to be fun. Well, the fun at the Banzo loyal academic. But now the Nimole Nakonoka Fioma abroad. Yadi United Democratic Party like Koi left telling my say seen in Bangkok. May I don't have go Bangkok in the Haja Bota money to put on. Manso may I don't have a call. Nata near Fendiala. Attack la Kaboko, Batunani for more Bazako, Carle in Kajango. Ganga Mwele, Kabrabo de China, President of China, Yam Koro Mendi, Pull of Plano, very good. Naya Danfana, Aganta Dan, Nia Dialafana is very good. Momania Namtlafena. Nadu Madan Fana Yadiala, Oto, Alakole Onyalfa, Yadiala. But Koronia Kweba Kalanyami, Katakaloptano law, State House. Benita Momento 10. Benita Momento 10. Ferio, Amanda Tamaka. Lunga Manta Tamaka ko Ijita de. B. Nomi Kono Jeto. Ninting me tiene musoma jeto. Ado anyanta operela. Woi bo futan da banjun janyati. Danga mira kafako. Adaman na kodo nyi yemen dila. Ata yake na lockdown to medbe bantala. E kana lockdown law. State House. Because the lockdown law State House. Babakla ni lockdown kala time moja face Adamale lockdown law State House janto. Be Adama Ko Yajamekanyum Bafana Yaman, General Jamang Law, State House. But these are misplaced priorities. I want to join the rest of the Gambian people, Melano Kavako Gambian Kolo, Ilakoye Hame, Ilakoye Sula, Kowo Kodo, Ata, Naka Laptano Tomela Kavako in the northern region of the Gambia, Ninko northern region, Mafo NBR Damande, Kabo Bara, Katafo Pasamas. What do you do? Doctor Kendeman Sotoji. At least this part of the region. Private hospitals are very large. They are on Kaboko, Nimo Nibu Eastern Nigeria. So I appeal to you, Adama, for that money. Ikanata Yadum, Laptano to Kwebe Lola, State House. Amanyang. That will be a misapplication of those funds. The priorities are for our people outside. I hear people call Leloptano Lole, Yomi, Yeke Salikane, Yeke Kiang, Yeke Wuli, and Kantoranya. Yes, Nabunji Jetole. Nabunji Jetole, there is no doubt about Nabunji Jetole. But member Leloptano, the fall Bijetole Bank. Theaters will be Jetole Bank, most churches not Kidali. All be jetted. Laughs will be jetted. When I come near laughter, blood test na sakin o jetted. SMS will be jetted. What you can alcatlu molla, Kabun lo, Kamola, Kongaloptan, or Lola, or Yadra Kabako to Bumholong, Madame be jetted. So I ask you, Ko Kodoni Ata, Kakan Aloptan also, Beano Kabako, Isulata Femela. Now my fanang, Eko. Now my fanaiko. If na kuan melkala, senola karola. Bari manikol ko. Ni sama benadiala ikanya kangkatangal ko. but moy muna je senol af kuloto me ya lon ka ko alma pare ka kanyi wande maje ndamin sa agriculture falade because minister of agriculture surrogate lom adama le yata yaki je to adama is responsible dalla banko madi sabalira na banko madi sisela na banko madi Dawda Jallow la na banko ngadi men Adama Barrow. So until we are holding Adama Barrow accountable for anything, fen kana nyim banko ka badal hold accountable. Seno fa banko bi tata businessman or businessman ya abafule ko banko ni na banko la economy ni abe banko la economy ni abe boy kani dollar to dilasi mo multiply pound sterling to the last moment. Wale yatina, fenwa bina kanye bankoka, abeda bekolea. Adama is not giving any serious attention to the economy of this country. In fact, abe make a contain. Kanye fleet of vehicles will target somebody. On expenditure me yaloka for me lama. Kadu ko ni mandra mansala body to. Maybe meet the farmers was strategy. But you unexpected expenditure, you can milk it. Well, I had no bank, I can have a boy can do by the day. And you have no plans at all of resuscitating the economy of this country. But the Gambian call you in the diaspora. So no, this government, we must kick them out. We must redeem our country. And that will be done to tell. Well, you have to do your school. Alfana Nyanda al by going out and mobilizing people, and the mobilization make a B for this today's event. Make that a continuous activity and mobilize people into the membership of our party and mobilize those no longer members of the party. On election day, you get all of them out to go and vote so that we can achieve what will have come in the party. Janimbitala no ngani karoke mbet bawdum ben lo bele famba famba jabiro mala fata jabiro mala o munedi ko yimbang be dala janto mega bank awafita lafta ya long awafita jumale ma ana jafa awafita jumale jolla gambe ko la laye as nyantale the Minister of Finance alias Samantha National Assembly I had to close Moli the purchasers of the mega bank as well as economic budget. Because when a national assessment, we cannot allow not strategic national assessment. The later gave a liquidate. Aliajal Gavako, Yamanka Briola, Ya Tile, as Nala Bemanka, Tilo, Nijulo Majona, Munaka Kakawafle. We never call it. Najale at the airport, GIA. Company don't be just want to ground handling services. What is happening to GIA? It often far. So that Gambian Kolu, if family and community, Lun Monsen Allen, they could get like they could giant. That's what you learn there. Munaka film, call go for Monia, go and take Kafla can you more carbon again? Don't be there, definitely Gana Halas and Papa. United Democratic Party in Santa Yala. Depuis 1996, Muslim Halat Sen Papa. Gambia Red Line Musa Halat, the very continent of the Halat Gambia, why am not left Lumanahari, a Kamna in Nahar, Yene in Gamne, I born Hellani. The Mandekun Tugal, Deganane, the editor of Voice newspaper, Musa Sharif and Mohamed Justice Dabo, they laid charge for false information. False information, learn more false information. False information, but I'm a crime. When I information, both amne. So, the fire Yahadara, Kireo. Pour what name? Adama Barrow, qu'il est préparé. Pour mon otuko neka candidate pour NPP loolu lan la yàqal réewi Gambia lan la yàqal réewu Gambia lu tax ngeen ñaa jóg loolu waaye nag li ma foog ne mooy lii tyranny dictatorship mooy dellu si waat Gambia just nañ ne ci jamono Yaya Jammeh ni rek la lii moo nekkoon seen charges di jël yóbbu nit for false information di yóbbu nit di leen charge ne yaa ngi joxe information boo xam ne is not correct loolu rek lañ fi gisoon te going against journalists nii la ko Yaya Jammeh start on même entering boppam and we cannot allow that to happen in this country and I want to here again repeat particularly in for this particular case Mr. Sidi Toure I call your name nena nge toki le sinya saba nge yamar nge toki lo kotenke nge yamar la ning kesa la withdraw Mr. Sidi Toure ntawo nyondo mbengine foka kavoko NPP la kele bole kekan ibitankewe because Adamaro's sister is married to you wala yatina and hekatu look and hekatu these are serious things. These are serious things. You cannot weaponize the police for another person's political interest. And both the man people are losing respect for the police. And indeed, Nengat advise Mr. Toure Kavoko, case ni ya withdraw. Because I believe Kavoko ita bitankyo, ibo the first account. When I now come civil attack a court. Among criminal justice system, he didn't appeal to that at other court in Zeribe. Men man ke dinding tiga by Bolon and he lost your milk in Zeribe. I have a Sabada Majada. He took him to court. Kiss me, for Cabraco, you published paper don't be the government of West Africa. You published a paper. Do the same thing by a lawyer. I am meant for a call. Ni Musa Sheriff Naman apologize. Kumonya I withdraw whatever submitted whatever Samala court. Please do that. Mr. Toure, advise your brother-in-law to go ahead with his civil action against the paper, the paper's editor, and also as the reporter. No keta, inshallah, whether it's defamatory or not. Tanmunam to defamation, you more talking. Ya Ugemeya Luka, Abichula Molda. B, Dunia Beka for 2 terms. Niko president Melkan after 2 terms later, so I'm going to whatever. About to let the so not mad you want to clamp down on newspapers because now they go voice newspaper, your other articles function so you think this can be an opportunity, but I think we are mistaken. And I think we are mistaken. And Musa Sharif, Inila Molo, we stand by you. We stand by you, we will support you in any way. We support in any way. And Nango will support in any way. We may not appear for in court. But your friend lawyer, so don't go back. Don't go back. Don't apologize. And we'll for then, remember now, they pounce on you. Yes, Samba, you're detained. And it's a shame. Not like a lot of United Nations. There are no political prisoners. There are no journalists, prisoners in my country. You know, to be a prisoner doesn't mean Kafko you are in mile 2. Absolutely. No, that's not only being a prisoner. Put a man in a 7-star hotel. He had deprived of liberty. He is a prisoner. It doesn't matter. 5 mile 2. So near more somebody detention, police headquarters. The man, he is dead, he is in prison because he is not at liberty. Put it there at Mantra Fansa Water. So that is not statement is accurate. In fact, we have seen how journalists have been mistreated here, or people working in media. We have seen how other journalists have had their livings taken away from them. Kerifat is one of them. Opposition platform and a contractual pay better. And we have seen also discrimination making. Kal Kodota, Kadi, other media outlets when the other Melanum Alcohol Manke NPP supporters Alol Vijedo, Melbal Jaila, Hanali Kukurunke, Melba Yermanakake Lugodi, Nali Totoda, Yaga Karabangi Dimari, Won and the Kudota Kadi Walena. When Namon Vijato, sorry, look at it. yaram betembo mendo bul ko so manyana kala Gambia bul ko so Gambia mina kan tuma mena ngadi ding moy ababula ko ndoma lafta la bakbe na moy adu dinding ni aman sanitary sauce that ran something in me I had global had been a lumen adama baroba Dakar after this one day so almost 2 hours coming young to be the character you didn't get tractor ebe blocos le be donna e bafala ko bafala ko manda bakwela arma baro gajeta mangule kam manda bakwela arma baro jamta money ko soto people they are looking forward to a better Gambia better living conditions woman nanake ngor nimbol fala kaf ko menya nakel ali kana blocos Gambia mata bulka ko sai mo tembo ma wala gaf ko nga juso dum fangla ma kol ke menya takela talking about Justice Minister, prosecution is entirely under your control in the DPP. The police will be in Kalantayala. On Savani City Tura Bavula Kalantayala, because I know what is all the police. Nancy the Tura Ban Kalantayala, Abe Bitanke Fazala. You tell a constitutional mandate sort of case tabulo. And you give good name to the Gambia. These are not the sort of cases that we are going to prosecute. It's not going to happen when I'm Attorney General. And the we'll make sure that that does not happen when this is not Attorney General. When you manta, Amarnyata prosecute Lele, Kulura Menyata Lala Kailakam, but you cannot go about hunting people. You cannot go about misusing your office in order to make a political point. So look at it. Diaspora ko elafta kanyo kunti banko ko diaspora ko ali kafuima itel femmen demanding member of the badila atel men fana bijanto ale du nyokam ale ta la sisters welcome ale ta ban welcome ila karto ni yamuta 2026 ikanadi femmen na manke UDP wale be banko UDP lam nyim banko jikodi UDP ko Gambian ko la UDP la Gambian ko do fana UDP wala milaji ko de wata ani be ngaka fu nyoma dukale ngodo ko tam nake banko ni ngamen kungo lodu no there is a report of corruption somewhere bante corruption kilinde ko do ndum yalo kam ko lam jale interested na chief justice la korda Adama Barrow chief justice la korda Nko, yamuna fajendo. Iba sa mol malabang, fayda sa mol. Chief Justice la korda. Iba sa mol malabang, fayda sa mol. Yalo nganyim foy ko. Ni make. Hani ya bumuloja memu san bumuti. Mansa kunda ko da nanata asata no bulle. Mansa kunda ko da nanata asata no bulle. Ade malla fi yetaro situation no. Please, molla dula na Chief Justice la korda bojeto yeta lanni nula kotento me yalon kavoko isi bunyu isi nyombu nyima kemelo ñu jedo mola hafer jedo be ba fula ko sama fu banna dulado wa mutality because we cannot allow corruption in high places and just keep quiet about it. We have to fight it. We cannot take it to a commission, but we have to tell the whole world Kavoko, the government is a that settlement of for engage in corrupt practices about that money. We have heard Kavoko there was going to be some investigation into allocations of land in Kamalo. Mama and people make it out of it. We still have not heard what's happening there. Adum, area it has both ecological value. God lata ka kuntu kadi molla. Molbe larum ka fo mo me kenyalo under your watch bo molbe dere afe wo manke ne put me larum ka fanya en gore la be nga nyira ko mo include the president de Maboro nyimbu ko jam every end of month kasi janet for the past 15 years by la ka fon tel man 22 years but for the past 15 years be kasi yibung la ko jam and ajama ya jame ka kukuru na sala corruption be ka fo janet ngaf ko ngakele na tete tambindi pour yo kele je tete man nafsa ya jame ko ya jame la mol ka ko Yeah, Jabal Saturday. For one more today. And that must stop. That must stop. Because Bakwala Fangam, you cannot really go dealing with that. Yes, Mr. President, you can't believe all. Appreciate it. Dokula. What Kasoleke for you? But the Nenema Mojeko, American President, got a plea for it. Angleterra Prime Minister, and Nenema got a leave for it. Nigeria President, Asikele, but Nenema Moy. But Hanata Kakakel, President Amambaro Mamira Simon Wado, the political leave for it. Dalila, Etolam chairman of OICT. Chairman of OIC. B. Dimbalebe Sudan. B. Dimbalebe Lebanon. B. Dimbalebe Gaza. You be Muslim Bankolet. You are telling me if only have for OIC meeting, you can tell them drive on you. The bus driver, you have a jelly. You like Gambia drive raya, one year on a barrel, 1 minute. You can't even drive at it. So, B. The Bela Kobe, I think President Adamabaro. Instead of your type of sealer, Manka Mankunda, Tangamera Kafko, you as chairman of OIC, in killing AU chairman, Ninja Kaf, Inanya Blue to Noble. I let strategy work out. Menyanta, Kilomem Sudan, Menyanta Bay, Menyanta Bana. Kasaji work out Mayor of Colombian of Gaza, Menyanta Bay. Lebanon. If you have every day, many times you, as the head of OIC, you have that responsibility. Imagine that I'll see a manka mankuda, if a marabani mora jedo, and you come and no, it's a serious thing. Because Nakata, because new Lota, Ninto, it does a lot for your legacy. We have seen how Saudi Arabia, Iraq and Iran, when he was chairman, Najala Yake, I didn't buy Jeto, and I want you to do the same thing, President Adamabaro. And President Adamabaro, go, Neil after Kela, Molbem United Democratic Party, Bemel Dilel, Mel, Inimel, Dokuakela, Akwanya Sakela, I get Bankamen Todia. Kadimbe Todia Kataka, come Meama, Gambia Action Tar against the government of Myanmar. Alhamdulillah, I want to thank Attorney General Batambadu, Abubakar Tambadu. Atele ya, atele data Governor Ukutuma. Ntala nyanta tala meeting to manta nonka ko teta nyedo. Tara jedo. Men I remember that naya this was that let us pursue it. And Gabriel Vice President now support JD, so that's fake. So that is giving Gambia good name, and President Adamabaro, Gambia cannot have a bigger name, a greater name than the efforts against the constitutional of Kabiket and Dunia. President Adamabaro, Janieta and the UN General Assembly meeting, you had a very opportune moment. I mean, big time opportunity. Mayor of Kavako, Janiatano, the foreign minister arrangement, through the American embassy, through President Joe Biden, Yeben, to talk about the Middle East crisis in your capacity, not as head of state of the Gambia, but in your capacity as chairman of the OIC. And that will be part of the side events of the OIC. I'll give you them. They'll work out these things for you. So that Gambia Latonya, so Kutale, Goodina, Yamajengi, me updated Lambal Jaila, the Mohammed in the diaspora, all the structures of the United Democratic Party, maybe at Lambia Jaila. And Mohammed Funtan in big numbers. There's nobody Janto. I know. Now you did the diaspora. They supported Mohammed Binala Janto. I know Namolo, like Mohammed Jamil. I know Lamin Silla, Banfa Kamara, Lamin Khan. I know Yamenke, for new event are successful. So maybe the Lambia Jaila. And also, we Nalon Kaboko, Ibrahim Soriba, UDP Lafa, Amantrani Bank to be. Katuko, Abekantarola. Yalo near Kumkoko. You know, it's lovely for this lovely Kabudi. They can Alcatarola, put some road Canabila Kumkoko. Sabacantarola, and a Kumkoko, URR. In a Puru, I bend up with Jedo. Tiyalan kana kana tiya wala na mandaja baba na congratulate ba Tesla and mtamba jinora nimang in security officers nyo ketel this nyanta meitan la mobela and I want to address particularly the United Democratic Party in particular and then the Gambian people in general. Oh, ni mol melan ka ko in uniform in dinglo do manual law, but in thing law. The uniform of Bondi, without for no company of Parad. It's only the uniform, no you can Parad. I don't know uniform or do, the Catalonia Munella, Purgana. Catalonia. So, a letter of the agent to be, just shows that Kavakon tell them killing, and we should continue to be one. Kana UDP ko lung kana nyel mo da ka foko nyel mun na jawol no bang ko ding lamu maybe of the command of ka Kenya me ni alpha be bolu alpha kalantang akoy ta ku kalantang ke ikada ay ku kalantang ke mo ko ko solo de baro manyen ka foko senda da ku kalantang ke wala bi atay ku kalantang fora da mo mi ya fay wala ya kenay ku kalantang ke so we should treat them as our brothers and our sisters, and they have shown that they are with us. And also police all fanalu is in India Kabuko, UDP manke any security outfit la enmity. They are our people. They are our people, they are our brothers. In fact, Honorable Sanyang, Ablai Sanyang, Kabram Minister of the Kabram Inspector General of Police, Mtata and Naja with Araj Dabo, with a delegation. And I think IGM said of an delegation of it. They left the men. Well, if there is any change of government in this country, the head of the police continues to work with the new government. We don't want heads of institutions to change because there's a change of government. But heads of institutions, they must also do things to earn the confidence, to earn the trust of the ordinary government people. Nadra Kavoko, ordinary government people, police or soldier role, immigration or whatever security outfit, justifiably. If Nyanda Yayo Nyama, what only changes Kada, certainly, and that is not what we want. We want continuity in the civil service. We want the civil service that includes the police, that includes the army, the NIA, the immigration, the prisons. We want them to be completely insulated from politics. We want them to be completely apolitical. Iradoko, Yake, in Gambia, Modamana, and for no other reason. No, Keta, Wallah, Beba Jandole, Kerani Jamakono, Beba, I know there are soldiers who have voted for me. I cannot say it's Mr. X. I know there are policemen who have voted for me, immigration officers who have voted for me, and who have voted for our National Assembly members and our councillors. I know that, but we don't know them because it's secret ballot. So that shows that Kavako Nimolu Landa Tamila Bekunale, but Landa Tamila Loko Kanake the Gebe Suri Yurukili. So Wayamaro, Bodila, United Democratic Party Molla, Badila Gambia Bella, Badila Police of Fanal Bella. Ava can tell that Kavako, tell my left Mazakundara. Whatever we say against the government, Konam Tonati, Nana Kako Tonati, Kavia Jamana, Tenant Kalafisa Jama. Glada no mala corruption Paul Melajana. Tenant Kalafita, Banka Men Forum Tonati. Ninga Fefa Fanam for Adamabaro Marsano Kaforum Tonati. It's not that we hate Adamabaro, but a system of managing the affairs of the country, man left Walla. Your $40 million sister, Yadi, newspaper, I tell police all. In your station. Is that right? You want to call them for. You can't tell them more. What do you call for? So, Mr. Sir, We thank her very much, Inila men and women, for really from the airport to here, advancing from Canada and the America. So we thank you very much. And finally, Laftaka, this is sad, this is sad, this is sad, this is sad, and then Ajiyam Seka Nadepti, be magic Namin Kafu Kabetar like the because Amame Akotoma, Banka, Abe Sunuru. But not, this just shows how committed Ajiyam is. This just shows Ajiyam left the men in Bankwale. So it's not even the loss of a dear one. May I look after Sabalanal event later. Ba akonto na sangla mena ñu koy tan la ala de nga fat cham jijang fat cham nde konto na ni ndemba dubé bal konto na sangla na ke batero pata fa bojam ngam kibaro fata na madlu mena alhamdulillah ala la yallo ay boy men dona bal be konto na sangla be fam fa na konto na sangla ajam daw yabo ajam saka. And in Femfe Yalo Kabe UDP, particularly the founding members, Ajamuna Jaila Samla. Those of us, Alalokambe UDP, when it was tough, those of us Alalokambe UDP, when there was hostility against us, we saw almost a lot of UDP in Yame. In fact, the Chamway Bridge incident, we saw almost a Tata Nyame commitment between Alakorda and the police station. So, but she stood for something. Batafa stood for something. Ajiyam, la sister, she stood for something. Dabo Sano, Fana. See, all these people, they stood for something. It's tantamena, Kalmel to Takoma, in Kanasong, Webambulo. Alina Kata, well, left a mena, Nadi Gambian Kola. Ningoke, Nini Beta Yamal Kiama, wala do to Malaya, ala baraka, Kongwali Jam.